How to create a provider account in Saan Provider app. After downloading the application from stores, App Store for iOS or Play for Android, or through the official website of the application, saan.sa/download, follow the below steps. Open the application. If there is a previous account, log in using the username and password or via the OTP verification code using the mobile number. Otherwise, click on Sign Up. Then enter the required data. Read the privacy policy and the terms and conditions carefully and choose Agree, then register. An OTP will be sent to the entered mobile number with a verification code for the verification. After that, a message will appear stating that we, in Saan, have received your request to join us in the Saan team. Your account will be reviewed in less than 24 hours and accepted by the application management. Upon acceptance of the request, you will receive a message confirming the approval. In case that you didn't receive the confirmation message, or the request is not accepted, you can contact us on 966567646724. After that, you can log in easily. Choose the professional services you can provide, noting that they can be modified later. Saan app, maintenance and more.